To sort a list of numbers using bubble sort, we start by comparing the first two numbers. If the number on the left is greater than the one on the right, we swap them. Then we move on to the next pair, the second and the third numbers, and do the same. We continue this way until we reach the end of the list, completing the first iteration. At this point, the largest number has bubbled up to the last position. Next, we begin the second iteration. This time, we only go up to the second to last number because the last one is already in its correct place. We keep repeating this process each time, ignoring the sorted part at the end of the list. After all iterations are done, the entire list is sorted. Now let's look at the Python implementation of bubble sort, which handles both the best case and the worst case scenarios. Here are the time complexities for the best and the worst cases along with the space complexity. Thanks for watching. Take care.